What up, pimp? Someone's calling me. Oh no. Anyways, they're gonna be kind of upset because I'm not gonna answer. This wasn't me to start this off with. This was not me in this video. It just happens to be the exact same kit I got on. I don't know. People are just copycats, you know. So this guy, he DM'd me this video, and he was on his way to work, and then he passed a cop. Yeah, leave a thumbs up for this guy, because I don't know if he actually got away, because nobody ever gets away from cops. They always catch you. You're go. Alright, well, you got no blinker on, so. Yeah, this guy passed a cop on his way to work, and then he totally didn't get away, but this is him attempting to run from the cops, because like I said, nobody ever gets away from the cops, man. God bless all of y'all. Don't do this. Y'all be safe. Enjoy the video. Bye. Yo, y'all are back. I'm just gonna be cruising around looking for someone to practice my wheelies. Probably not doing nothing crazy. I don't want to be doing this right now. I did not want to do that today. I was trying to have a chill ride, learn some wheelies. Bro, that was a state trooper too. It was unmarked as Pro tip, if you ever find yourself in that situation, you need to get off the road and you need to chill for a little while. So basically now it's snack time. So we're gonna have some snacks. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Wasn't me, brother. Oh, appreciate it, buddy. This is the bev of choice. Sparkling water. Am I still recording? Dude, I am. Sometimes I forget I'm making a video. I'm not much of a sweets guy. Yeah, I'm gonna kick it with just the water. How you doing, buddy?
Good, how are you?
Good. Appreciate it. Dude, I'm gonna be honest, I got f***ing lucky, dude. I got so lucky. I still can't believe that happened, bro. Well, boys and girls, you got the video you wanted. Dang. Take a look at this bad unit. She's covered in bugs, but I still love her. I'm gonna enjoy my bev, but this will be the end of this video. But if you like the video, like and subscribe so I could get a ZX6R. And God bless every single one of y'all. This is a reminder, racing's not a crime. Bye bye.